Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching me from. Raindrop Maths is here again. In this video, we'll be looking at past question from NTI and TCII. The question here is set. Yeah, you don't need a prophet to tell you. It's coming from set. But before we solve this problem, let's just pray to our God for retentive memory and more understanding individually for 2 seconds. Then prayers. Amen. Okay, yeah. If today is your first time of meeting me here, go to Google and type Raindrop Maths. Amen. You will see a lot of solved mathematical problems with solutions. Not only that, you also see mathematics comprehensive lecture notes that will help you and guide you for those who are preparing for NECO, YGC, NAMTEC, NC, ND, HND, BSc, Masters, up to PhD level. You will see comprehensive mathematics lecture notes. Please hurry up. Make sure you share this video. Don't hesitate. It will help you and do you good mathematically. Okay? Yeah, you can also follow me on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter. Just type this name. Okay, here is the question. If P is equals to X such that 2 is less than equals to X less than 16, X is prime, and Q is equals to X such that 2 less than equals to X less than equals to 13, X is odd. It's simple as ABC. Let us first consider set P. Set P, P is equals to, when we say X, 2 is less than or equals to 16, yeah, 16, yeah. So note that X is either greater than 2 or equals to 2, then here is less than. Amen. Okay, so what we need to do here is we have to consider the interval between 2 and 16. X is less than 16. Yeah. Then the most important thing here that X is prime. You ask yourself, what are prime numbers? Prime numbers, they are numbers that can divide itself and 1, true or false. Then the numbers, they fall in between 2 and what? 16, true or false. Okay, for me to just make it you to understand it better, let me just have a number line. Here is a number line. We assume that this is X. Since no negative, so from here we said 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Amen. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and what? 16. X. Okay. Yeah. How are you? Oh, my daughter. Yeah. Want me to carry you? Yeah. Yeah. You see, this is my daughter. Whenever I'm solving mathematics, she wants to be with me, and I don't know why. Yeah, she can disturb. Don't mind her. For breaking transmission. Yeah, I don't know whether she wants to become a mathematician. You want to become a mathematician? Oh, that is lovely. Shake daddy. Yeah. Daddy's daughter. Okay? Yeah, take your pen. Yeah. Go and sit down and listen to daddy. Just copy it down. Is that clear? Okay? Yeah. Please, sorry for breaking transmission. She can disturb. That is my daughter for you. Okay. Yeah. So, if you can see what I'm saying, I'm just trying to explain this. I just want to explain this. So they said x is greater than or equals to 2. So when we say x is prime, it means prime number. We are talking about prime number. Prime numbers are numbers that can divide itself and 1 only. So if x is equals to or greater than equals to 2, so 2 is also a prime number. Why? Because it can divide itself and 1 only. True or false? Yeah. So 2, we take 2, then 3 can divide itself and 1 only. We tick. So here the p set p will now be 2, 3, 4 cannot divide itself and 1 only. It can divide 2. True or false? So we cannot go for 4. 5 can divide itself and 1 only. True or false? 5. 6 can divide itself and 1. It can also divide 2. It can also divide 3. So we cannot go for 6. 7 can divide itself and what? 1. You cannot divide any other thing. 9 can divide itself and 1. It can also divide 3. True or false? So we cannot go for 9. So 10 can divide itself and 1. It can divide 2. It can divide 5. True or false? So we will not go for 10. Mind you, we are doing that because of x is what? Prime number. Yeah. 11. Yes, 11 can divide itself and 1. It cannot divide any other thing. Yeah. 12. 12 can divide itself and 1. It can divide 2. It can also divide 3. It can also divide 4. It can also divide 6. True or false? It's true. Yeah. 13. 13 can divide itself and 1. It cannot divide any other thing. True or false? Yeah. But note that x is less than 16. So we must stop here. Let's consider 14. 14 can divide itself and 1. Also can divide 2. It can also divide what? 7. So 14 is not included here in the set P. Then 15. Yeah, 15 is not a prime number. It can divide itself and 1. But 15 can divide 3. It can also divide what? 5. True or false? Yeah. So we stop here. We stop here. Then let us consider set Q. This is how we find. Then set Q says x is greater than 2 and less than or equals to 13. Greater than or equals to 2, less than or equals to 13. So we'll stop here. We'll stop here. Yeah. So now they said x is here, odd numbers. What are odd numbers? Odd numbers are numbers that cannot divide 2. They cannot divide 2. Any number that cannot divide 2, they are what? Odd numbers. Please take note. So now let's start. X is greater than or equals to 2. So is 2 an odd number? No, because 2 can divide itself. 2 can divide 2. Yeah. Yeah. 3. 3 is an odd number. Is 4 is an odd number? Odd number? No. 4 can divide 2. True or false? Is 5 is an odd number? Yes. 5 cannot divide 2. Is 6 is an odd number? Yes. 6 can divide 2. Is 7 is an odd number? Yes. 6 is not an odd number because it can divide 2. 7 is an odd number, it cannot divide 2. Is 8 an odd number? No. 8 can divide 2. It is not an odd number. 9 is 9 an odd number? 9 is an odd number. Yeah. 9 cannot divide 2. Then they said less than equals to 13. So is 11 an odd number? 11 is an odd number. Why? Because it cannot divide 2. Yeah. So 11. Then 12, is it an odd number? Yeah. 12 is not an odd number. Why? Because 12 can divide 2. Yeah. So let us look at let's look at 13. They said is less than or equals to what? 13. So we can stop at 13 or we can stop 11, whichever way, but it's better equals to. We consider the equals to 13. Is 13 an odd number? Yes, because 13 cannot divide 2. So this is how you are going to obtain the set of P and Q. So far so good, amen. So now let's consider number of P union Q. So number of P union Q means union means everything here, but it will not repeat itself. Any number 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and what? 13. Okay? Then number of P intercept Q. Number of P intercept Q. This is equals to, when we say intercept means the common sets among the P and Q. So we know that the intercept of P and Q is what? So now, intercept of P and Q is what? We have 3 here, we have 3 here, so 3. We have 5 here, we also have 5 here, 5. We have 7 here, we also have 7 here, 7. We have 11, we also have 11 here, 11. We have, yeah. We have 13 here, we also have 13 here. Okay. Yeah. So now they said we should find the number of P union Q plus the number of P intercept Q. Excuse me for breaking transmission. Okay, sorry for the break in transmission. Yeah. Let's consider the number of P union Q. How many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so number of the set that are contained in P union Q is 7, and the number of set that contain in that is contain P intercept Q is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is equals to 5. So therefore number of P union Q plus number of P intercept Q now be equals to 7 plus 5. This is equals to what? 12. Yeah. So this is how you are going to solve or evaluate this type of question whenever you come across it. Thank you and God bless you. See you in the next video. Bye. Yeah.